Hello, my friends. I am doing some Amazon finds that I'm excited to share with you. I love sharing what I find off of Amazon with you because for me, Amazon is very convenient. They're very affordable and it can be to me in a couple of days. So I hope that you do enjoy this, and don't forget that we have a number system that comes up on the screen, corresponds to the product. Go down into this description box and you should be able to find the product that way. And then you can click on the link if you'd like to shop that way. Those are affiliate links and I do appreciate you using those. It does help me out so much. All right, let's get going. I wanted to share with you these towels. Now, I've shared with you makeup towelettes before, and usually I use the wet towelettes and the makeup remover towelettes and these kind of towelettes while I'm filming. But what I like about these is they're not as big as those other ones. The other ones were like almost, I would say almost double this size. But I like these because they're small enough that I don't feel like I'm wasting a bunch of product. You can also rinse these out and use them more than once. And that's really nice too. They're great for helping to take off your makeup, and they're great just little towels to have on the run. I put these in my car. They're super absorbent and it's better than having a roll of paper towel in my car. Also wanted to tell you, and I'm going to continue to shout this over and over again, that one of my favorite skincare items is something that you need to try. You've got to try this as your first step after cleansing. I use it morning and night as my primer for all the other skincare that's coming to my skin. And some people think that that's crazy talk when you talk about your skin being wet or damp and then putting more products on there, that really, doesn't help absorption. It's increased mine like I can't believe. And the moisturizer that I get from this, let me tell you what the name of it is before I get too carried away. Numbuzin No9 is the NAD PDRN Glow Boosting Toner with 50 peptides. So NAD, PDRN, and 50 peptides. And PDRN is the new buzzword that everybody's talking about, that basically is salmon sperm. And yes, I know, sounds terrible, but it most mimics the moisture that we have in our own skin. So when you go and look this up, don't be freaked out by that. Just look up all of the cool things or the wonderful things that this does for your skin, especially mature skin. I cannot believe how much this has helped my skin. I get told all the time that I look younger now than I did when I first started YouTube. And it's true because I wasn't using any skincare at all. And then I also get told that how can you even talk about skincare when you get Botox? Yes, I get Botox. I get Botox through my forehead, on, my 11s. I get Botox around my eyes. But Botox can't help with the elasticity of your skin or your pores or those huge wrinkles. It can't help. You can't shoot Botox. I guess you can if you're a super surgeon or something. But I have never been able to have Botox shot into around my eyes. It will help you. There's 50 peptides in here. Peptides are the building blocks of collagen, and collagen is what makes our skin plump. It has elastin in it. It's going to bounce back. It is so good. And this is not that expensive. Korean skincare. I just want to tell people everywhere how good this is, and I wish everybody would start using that. I love it. I've gotten asked a lot about my hair lately. One of the things that I've been using, and this is not a new thing to me, but it's DHT blockers. DHT is the hormone that will attack the follicle and make the make the hair fall out. And so you want a DHT blocker. It's important to have that, especially if you have any sort of thinning on your hair. And this is called Shiny Leaf. It's the advanced formula DHT Pro Shampoo for men and women. Contains Procapol and Capixul. It says protect your hair from your hair follicles with the Shiny Leaf DHT Pro Shampoo, professional active complex formula that combines the power of natural ingredients with nourishing oils to give the best care for your hair and scalp. And this has been one that I just taken. I mix it in, a couple of pumps of it in with my own shampoo. and I will forever use this. I've shown it to you guys over and over again, but as we talk about hair, and you guys are wanting me to do a hair tutorial, which I will be doing, and yes, I'm doing a ton of things to my hair, but I figure if I do a ton of things to my face, why wouldn't I treat my scalp like the skin on my face, as far as making sure it gets the very best care it can get. Hair care, scalp care, skin care. I want to do the best I can. Also, if you're looking for a really good heat protectant, L'Oreal Elvive has this one, and it's the 2% Hyaluron Plump Hyaluronic Care Complex Replumping Leave-In Serum, 2 times more hydration for dry and dehydrated hair. So if you have oily hair, normal hair, this probably isn't something you exactly want to use, but for my dry and dehydrated hair, soon as I get out of the bath after I've conditioned and rinsed, you want to put something like this in there, because if you don't, all the moisture that you've worked so hard to put onto your hair is going to evaporate away as it dries. But you put something like this in your hair, you're holding it in. You're actually creating a barrier so all that moisture can't escape as your hair dries or you're doing your styling or whatever. So this is a really good one, and I've been loving it. Oh, and as far as DHT goes, I'm also taking this supplement, which is Doctor's Formula Hair Omega DHT Blocker with biotin, saw palmetto, beta cisterol, 500 milligrams biotin, and 40 other ingredients that support hair health. Again, a DHT blocker, but it has all of those other ingredients that are going to support hair health. There's Ollie. Yes, he has to make his presence known every time I get on camera. Usually it's because the UPS guy is here. So bear with me, the dog can't help himself. Also, I found this new lip gloss, and it's not new, but I found it as far as for me, and it is the Butter Gloss Bling. And I love the bling in it. It's so pretty. This one, oh gosh, I'm gonna have a hard time finding the name of it. No, there it is. Bring the Bling is what it's called. It's got micro sparkles in it. It's just so pretty. It's kind of a gold. So whatever you put it on top of, it just gives such a pretty, oh, it just gives such a pretty reflect. I love it. And I've been wearing it like crazy. So one of those ones that I wanted to share with you. And I found this little compact mirror when I was traveling. Isn't it cute? It is a rechargeable compact mirror with the 10 times magnifying, if I can get it open. When you open it, it lights up. So you have the 10 times magnifying on one side, and then you have the regular on the other side. It will change the tone or the color on there, and it turns off if you do that. However, if you have it on and you close it, it turns off too. So this is a fun find for me. I love that this is small enough for me to be able to keep in my purse as I was traveling. And I also like that it turns off when it's closed, because then you're saving the battery on it, and it's rechargeable. So much fun. Comes in a bunch of different colors. And of course, your girl's gonna choose purple, obviously. I got this for traveling. This is a scale. So you can weigh your suitcases before you go in there, and then you get charged even more by the airlines for how heavy your bag is. So it's really easy to use. You just hook it up to the handle, click it on there, turn it on, and pull this up, and it'll give you the weight. And it is invaluable as far as I'm concerned, because then I think I had mine at like 52 pounds or something, and you can only have 50 pounds. And so you just take as much out as you need to, and then you don't have to be charged extra for, they actually charge you if it's 50 pounds and 50.1 pounds. They actually do that, so you know. So I thought this was ingenious to have in your home. And I also found these. Aren't these beautiful? Look at these enameled cuff bracelets. I fell in love with these, and these come in different colors and they come in different designs, but they have the beautiful bling on them. Very comfortable to wear. It's just a cuff bracelet. It doesn't have a clasp or anything, but they are so pretty. I absolutely love them. And I thought for any occasion, these were, I think these are the pink ones with the floral or the bird. They have floral bird, the white they just have a bunch. You'll have to go look at them. They're very pretty. And they come in such a cute box. So if you send them to somebody for a present, how fun would that be? I just thought that was so cute. Also, the earrings I have on are not just a regular hoop with rhinestones. This is a heart pattern in here. I just thought that was so pretty. I don't know why I'm into hearts so much lately, but I sure am, because I got a set of heart earrings. These are a heart dangle earring, which I think is so cute. I will show them on for you. It's a heart dangle earring, and I not only got the silver, but I got the gold because I liked them that much. And there they are. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. They're just dainty, enough of a shine on them that they catch the light. I just thought they were so, so pretty. And then I found this adorable purse. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's got 3 pockets in there, but the biggest pocket is in the middle, which I like. It's got a zipper pocket inside and the 2 little pockets where you can put your phone and your sunglasses if you want to. And the other nice thing about it is it unzips all the way, so it will open up so you can find what you want in there. And yes, I do have the tag because I just got the thing and I couldn't wait to show you. It has this adorable little keychain on it as well that's got a little flower on there. It's just so cute with the heart and the pearls and the gold. It's got the gold accents, but it has the pink, and then it has the pink embossed on here. Isn't that pretty? I hope you guys can see that. Hope it's showing up well on camera because it is that pretty. Also has the shoulder strap so you can wear it crossbody if you want to, or over your shoulder. This is such a cute purse. I was so impressed by it when I got it, and I thought, you know, for the money, purses are so expensive anymore, it's even hard to touch them, but I felt like this was a fairly good value. And don't forget that I do have on this top, and I will share it with you. It also comes in a bunch of colors and a bunch of different prints. I really like it a lot. It's very, very flattering. This is very true to size. I wear a medium, and it's not too baggy and it's not too tight. But if you like things to be a little bit baggier, you're gonna wanna size up on it. And then I will share with you the last thing that we have today, and it's this adorable jacket. Oh my goodness, I love this jacket. It's got these button details on it. This is the copper color. It's probably called brown, but this is such a nice lightweight jacket. I've been wearing it all winter. It hasn't been that cold around where I'm at. It's got some of the little buttons that match on the sleeve. It's just such a fun layering piece, or a piece that you would wear out for a night or whatever. It's just so cute. It's not lined, but it definitely is a fun piece, and it just is very dressy. You could wear it like Western style, or you could wear it very dressy. You could even wear it with a tank dress, like a black tank dress and tennis shoes. It'd be cute that way too. So I really thought that this was fun and very versatile. And I believe that is it for today's video. I do want to give you a little teaser. I am going to be doing a video where I'm going to show you a technique that I happened to stumble across. It was not anything that I found from anybody else. I stumbled across it myself, and then I found a makeup artist, and she told in her video what this does. So I'm going to be sharing it with you. No more gatekeeping. That video is coming out probably next week. I can't wait to share it with you because it's so darn easy, and you're going to be shocked at how much you feel like it lifts your face and makes your face, and it's an optical illusion. It makes your face just look so good. That's a teaser for you for next time. Hope everybody is doing really well. Please take care of yourselves, and please come back and see me very soon in my next video. Love you much. Goodbye, my friends.